Okay, so today is real talk day because I almost wasn't going to show you this, and I had done this page yesterday, and you're going to do this where you're not happy the whole time you're doing it. You're not happy when you're done. You let it mash and meld and all that in your head overnight. You wake up and you look at it, and you're just as disgusted as the day before when you didn't like it. Sometimes it grows on you overnight. This time it didn't. The sentiment on this page I wanted because it was a kind of a crappy day that I had yesterday and the night before, and so I wanted that. And for some reason I had Easter in my head and spring and flowers and bunnies, and oh my God, what was I thinking? This is so not in the style of this journal. It's not even in my style. I don't know where my head was. I think it was fuzzy like the bunny. So I decided that I don't want this in my book, and you're going to see me try to fix this thing today. So I just decided to get really real with you and let you see this side of art. It's not pretty. It really isn't. So I took some of my papers that I had done the jelly printing on, okay, and I like the colors, and this was thick enough that it'll cover over this stupid little, sorry guy, bunny that I just did not want on my page. I need to figure out, yep, it's good that way. Okay, so I'm just going to start gluing some stuff over here, and then I'm going to start fresh. And hopefully I don't mess this up, because probably I should paint on this before I put it in, just in case this page is jinxed and haunted or something. But I'm just going to go for it, because this is what you'll be doing at home. Sometimes you just got to fix what you don't like, right? We talked about that a few weeks ago. Do-overs. Well, this is going to be a major do-over right here. Because Penny was having an off day all the way around. So I'd like to remember that it ended on a positive note. And if I have to sit there and look at that bunny for the rest of my life every time I flip through this journal, I'm going to think it didn't end on a positive note. Now, because I didn't want this to be stark, I need to bring some of that pattern over onto this page. So I'm going to take some scraps, and I think I'm going to do the leaves and stems of at least one of these on that. So let's see how that rolls. So here's a silly little trick. I used to keep a real mirror in here. This is the bottom of a candle jar, but it has a mirrored finish in it. So I leave it on my table, and if I'm trying to get a facial expression, the best way to do that is a mirror. And you just sit there and make whatever weird expression you want, and then make it come true on the page. So that is what I'm doing right now. So, does she look aggravated? A little pissed off? Perfect. So I covered over a couple of these little letters. I'm just going to finish off. Nothing was done beautifully. It's a little ragged, and that was the feeling. So yeah, I think it works out pretty good. Let's see if this shows up a little more if I just fill in maybe a little bit of these letters. I used to have a stamp that had this sentiment on it. Art washes away from the soul the dust of everyday life. I don't know whatever happened to that. I sold a bunch of stamps long ago, and that one may have gotten tossed in the mix. But it was a good one. And it's very true, because I can sit down here with this stuff on my head, the dumb things that happen at work, and the people you come across that you just shake your head and go, you know what, we're sharing the roads with these people. And you see people being dishonest, or, you know, just whatever, just things that make you want to just go, what? And you get caught somehow in the middle of their little web, and yeah, I'm just very, very thankful that I have some really good people in my corner in this world. And I'm very thankful that I have this outlet that keeps me sane when the world gets a little insane. And quite frankly, some of the people. And I know they're God's children and He loves them and all that, but I tell you, I have a hard time liking them sometimes. I swear I do. But I keep trying every day. Hopefully get a little better. Or I get a little more empathetic, or I don't know. I don't know what I need. I don't know what they need. Sometimes I think it's slap upside the head, but you know, that's just me. So yeah, better than the Easter Bunny. Closer conveys the feeling I had yesterday, and a little bit still today. I'm trying to let a lot of what I was feeling go, and realize that I can't fix everybody else. I can only fix me. I can own up to what I do wrong, but I can't make other people own up to what they did wrong. And so yeah, I think that's pretty much me yesterday. I think I look pretty good in spite of how perplexed and ticked off I look, right? So yeah, you can go back and change your journals. If you don't like what it said about you one day, you can go back the next day. If you slept on it and it still is bothering you like this one was doing me, then yeah, go back and change it. Do whatever you need to do. You can gesso over it, or do like I did. And I was afraid this gesso that I have, they make some thicker gesso that will cover a little bit better, but I was afraid it would take me 20 coats of the gesso that I have to cover over that stupid little bunny that's underneath this thing. So I just took a piece of paper that I had done for my jelly print inks, and that turned out pretty good. I like that. I'm happy with this now. I don't want to throw up when I see it, so I call it a good day. So I hope y'all had a great time. If you like what you see, please subscribe if you're not already. If you're on a computer and you see the little bell, if you'll hit that, it'll notify you when I put up new videos, which are about twice. Every once in a while I get real industrious and do 3 a week. But usually about twice a week is what I shoot for. And some are short, some are long, some are full process videos where I talk through the entire thing, and some are sped up and edited and that sort of thing. So I try to put a little bit of something out there for everybody. So yeah, please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. That helps me rise in the algorithms of when people are on their search and homepage. And I appreciate it. And I'm going to put the links of the products I use on these pages in the description below. Anytime you click on those, and if you purchase anything on that visit, it doesn't cost you a dime more, but it gives me a tiny little bit of percentage for sending you there. That helps me buy products to keep showing you about. So thank you so much for your support of this channel, and leave me a comment. Love to hear from you. Talk to you later. Bye.